Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the design and prepping materials: wax, sprue wax, and a casting flask. Carve the master and attach sprues so metal will flow smoothly. That prevents cold shuts. Once done, mount the waxes on a tree and check balance so the investment fills evenly. Mix a typical gypsum-based investment, then vacuum and pour to avoid bubbles. Make sure to label flask and schedule burnout timing. Consistent burnout prevents ash and improves surface finish. You transfer the invested flask into a kiln and run a controlled burnout. Slow ramps remove wax, then high soak burns the residue. This conversion matters for metal release. Once the flask is hot and vented, prepare your metal charge and crucible. Use centrifugal for crisp detail or vacuum for delicate pieces. Each affects fill and porosity. When the metal reaches target temperature, release it quickly into the mold. After cooling, quench and allow to rest before divesting to reduce stress. You remove the casting from the investment and begin cutting sprues close to the piece, then progressively grind and file to restore detail. Polish in stages, coarse to fine, so you don't lose definition, and finish with tripoli then rouge for mirror shine. If gaps or porosity show, inspect the gate system and consider recasting with hotter metal or better vents. Small pits can be soldered and filled. Finally, set stones and patina. Test fit and measure before final quality control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.